Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, I'm honoured to speak to you as we mark the 10th EU Day Against Impunity. Today we remember the victims of the gravest crimes known to humankind and reaffirm our collective determination to ensure accountability for the perpetrators and justice for the victims. This year's theme, the protection of international judicial authorities, could not be more timely or urgent. The recent sanctions imposed on the International Criminal Court has sent a dangerous message that holding power to account can come at a profound cost. So let me be clear. The independence and impartiality of international judicial bodies are not negotiable. These institutions do not serve geopolitical interests. They serve the law, and the law serves the people it is enacted to protect. Such measures against the ICC risk weakening not only the court itself, but other mechanisms that seek to uphold international justice, such as the Special Tribunal for the Prosecution of the Crime of Aggression against Ukraine, the establishment of which was announced earlier this month. The European Commission stands firm in defending the independence of the ICC and with it the international legal order, and we will continue to provide the court with our full support in its work to combat impunity in circumstances where national courts are unwilling or unable to prosecute the most serious crimes, including genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. So we will not allow pressure or intimidation to endanger international criminal justice. And I welcome that through Eurojust and the Genocide Network, we can work closely with member states, civil society and international partners to safeguard the ability of prosecutors, judges and investigators to do their work independently and without fear. I am unequivocal in my belief that victims deserve to see justice. So it is crucial that victims have effective access to justice, but it's also crucial that their rights and needs are taken into account at all stages in the process. The position and participation of victims in criminal proceedings is often essential for effective prosecutions. Victims should feel able and be able to speak out about what has happened to them and have their voices heard. And the testimonies of victims should be gathered without exposing them to secondary victimization, intimidation, or retaliation. Across the EU, the Victims' Rights Directive ensures these procedural rights for victims of international crimes when the criminal proceedings take place in a member state. In doing so, it protects victims and witnesses and empowers them to use their testimony to deliver justice. To strengthen these rights further, the Commission's proposal for a revision of the directive is currently under intensive negotiations between the co-legislators, and I am giving it my utmost support. All these measures are crucial in and of themselves, but they are also inextricably linked to the existence of independent and impartial judicial authorities that function effectively. This is why it remains imperative that we preserve and strengthen those links along the criminal justice chain. I look forward to hearing about the outcome of your discussions today and how they will shape our continued collective action for accountability and combating impunity. As you move forward with this work, let it stand as a testament to our shared commitment to delivering accountability for perpetrators and justice for the victims of these gravest crimes. Thank you, and I wish you well in your discussions.